Good morning, best regards. My name is Anderson Cespedes. I study environmental engineering at the National Open and Distance University. This is an explanatory video for text for called Oral Word of English 3. I chose the Petticoats Company shipping and meant that these drinks are widely consumed and common in our country and the rest of the world. Along with Coca-Cola, they are the most popular soft drinks in the world. This company contributes to environmental pollution through the waste of packaging in containers of its products, which reach all parts of the earth, especially the seas. I think the lack of greater awareness and the sense of belonging for our planet, as well as the adoption of environmental impact, can be reduced by reducing the use of plastic packaging in these products by making a change to glass packaging only. The contamination decreases because these containers will not be discarded but will return to the company through various production cycles.